Hello, welcome to this next video lecture uh, of this electromagnetic waves series of lecture videos. In this lecture video, we will specially focus on the vector calculus part 4, that is very important operator called del operator. So, del operator we will discuss. Del operator. So this del operator is very important. Del operator is having very importance in the that is electromagnetics. As we know that all the Maxwell's equations which we are going to develop in the further upcoming classes, all those equations are dependent on this del operator. So this is also known as a vector differential operator. So it is we are going to use this vector differential operator fully in order to develop the mathematical concept which is useful in order to derive the Maxwell's equations. Okay, Maxwell's equations. I will tell the importance of Maxwell's equations here. So Maxwell's equations are very helpful, or they are going to we are going to use Maxwell's equation in order to analyze how a wave is propagating in different medias like air, conductor and dielectrics. Okay, we can mathematically predict the phenomenon of electromagnetic waves in different media. So that is the importance of the electromagnetic waves. Now we will come to we will see this, what is del operator. Del operator is written as like this. Okay, del operator. So this is going to be a lengthy class here, because I am going to write this, I am going to derive this del operator in 3 coordinate system, that is Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical coordinate system. Okay, del operator is written as like this, del. Okay, now this is also called vector differential operator. Vector differential operator. So this del operator is also known as a vector differential operator. Okay, so now first we will try to write this vector differential operator in Cartesian coordinate system. So later on, by using that basic equation, we will try to derive the other equations, that is del operator. We will try to derive del operator in other coordinate system by taking the help of that first equation, that is which we are going to give in the Cartesian coordinate systems. Okay, I will write the Cartesian coordinate. In Cartesian coordinates, the del operator is given by that is del is equal to dou by dou x of ax plus dou by dou y of ay, 2 by dou z of az. So let us take this as equation number 1. Okay, we will consider this as equation number 1. So this operator is also known as gradient operator. So sometimes this is also called as gradient operator. So this operator is also known as gradient operator. So gradient operator. So now we are going to write the importance of gradient operator one by one here. So the gradient operator is useful in defining the important parameters here. This del operator we are going to use in defining important concept like gradient of a scalar is written as del v, gradient of a vector A field A is written as del dot A, and curl of a vector field, gradient of a curl of a vector field is written as del cross A, and the Laplacian of a scalar v is written as del square v. So that is the importance here. This operator is useful in defining. So this operator is useful in defining the following terms. That is, the first one is the gradient of a scalar v is written as gradient of scalar v is written as del v. Okay. Next, the divergence of a vector field vector A is written as del dot A, and the curl of a vector A is written as del cross A, and the Laplacian of a scalar v is written as del square v. So these are the four parameters which the del is going to, we are going to use this operator in defining all these four terms here. Okay. So after defining this del operator in three coordinate systems, we will take one by one this one and this one separately in the upcoming lecture videos. Okay. First we will try to take this del operator in the cylindrical coordinate. Now we will define this. Now we will define del operator, that is del operator in cylindrical coordinates. So cylindrical coordinates, how we are going to approach the del in rho phi z coordinate, that is cylindrical coordinates. We know that the following relation, relations between Cartesian and relationship between the Cartesian and cylindrical coordinates, that is rho is equal to root of x square plus y square, and phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x, or else I can write here as tan phi is equal to y by x. I can also write this equation. This can also be written like this, and z is equal to z here. Now I am these are the two functions here. We are going to consider those here xy and here rho phi. We are having the functions. Okay, I can write in the form of a function like this. Okay, f of x comma y. If you are going to have the function, so at this side this function is related to f of x is equal to rho cos phi and y is equal to rho sin phi. So this is the function we can write, and this function g will be in terms of g of rho comma phi here. Okay, rho comma phi. So now we are by taking the help of this function f, we are going to define dou f by dou x. We can define any number of functions like this: dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, and similarly dou square f by dou x square and dou square f, double derivative of these ones. Okay. Now first we will try to define dou by dou x, because these are helpful in defining dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. Okay. So we will try to define this one by chain rule. By chain rule we can write dou by dou x like this. Okay, because x is a function is with respect to two variables here, that is rho and phi. Here I can write here like this: dou rho by dou x into dou by dou rho plus dou phi by dou x into dou by dou phi, and similarly I can take another, that is dou by dou y. I can define like this by chain rule. Dou by dou y is equal to dou rho by dou y into dou by dou rho plus dou phi by dou y into dou by dou phi. Now I have to define all these terms here, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I am going to derive all this one, I can keep in this one. Now after getting these equations, we have to substitute in the equation 1. So that is the completion of the del operator in the cylindrical coordinate systems. Okay. Now let us try to derive one by one here. First we will take the this one, that is dou rho by dou x. Okay, we will take this one, dou rho by dou x. We know rho, so I will write, we know rho is equal to this one, that is square root of x square plus y square, square root of dou by dou x of square root of x square plus y square. Now it is with respect to function of this is the derivative with respect to the x. Here I can write root x differentiation is, we know that the differentiation dou by dou x of root x will be 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so now I can write like this. Okay, 1 by 2 root x square plus y square, but we are having again with respect to x square I have to write 2x. So this will be equivalent to dou by dou x is equal to, x is equal to, again we know the relations. Okay, x is equal to, here x is equal to rho cos phi and y is equal to rho sin phi. So I can substitute here x by, I have got x by square root of x square plus y square, where x is equal to rho cos phi. Here I can write rho cos phi, and this one square root of x square plus y square is rho here. So I can write here as cos phi. So I got the value of dou rho by dou x as cos phi. Okay, dou rho by dou x is cos phi. So I will write here. So we have to recall all this one. So at the time of substituting these equations, we need to recall all this one. Next we will take this dou phi by dou x. Okay, dou phi by dou x, where phi is equal to what? Here I got phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x, that is dou by dou x of tan inverse of y by x, and we know the differentiation with respect to tan inverse of y by x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So in place of x we have this one, that is I can write like this, that is 1 by 1 plus y square by x square, and again we have to differentiate with respect to y by x. So I can write here like this, that is y by, that is differentiation of x power minus 1 means x power minus 1 of minus 1, that is minus x square. That is the differentiation we have to take, again y by x. So y by x will be minus y by x square. So now I get here like this. Okay, x square by x square plus y square into minus y by x square. So this will be giving me minus y by x square plus y square. So x square plus y square value will be here rho square. Okay, I get here as rho square, and y value is rho sin pi. I can here minus rho sin phi. The value of this one will be rho square. So I get here as rho square. So one rho will get cancelled here. I get the dou phi by dou x value will be minus sin phi by rho. Okay. So this is the value of the dou phi by dou x. Now I have to derive this one, no, dou rho by dou y. Okay, I will erase this one. So we have to remember this equation 1 and we have to substitute all those terms in this one. So let us do that one. That is, next I have to take this one, dou rho by dou y. Dou rho by dou y. So what is rho actually? We know that rho is equal to square root of dou by dou y of square root of x square plus y square. So this will be equal to 1 by square root of x square plus y square. Here with respect to y means I have to write 2y by 2 here. Okay, this will 2 will cancel here. Y by square root of x square plus y square. Again y is equal to what here? Rho sin phi here. Okay, here rho sin phi, but again here this will be equivalent to rho. So I get here dou rho by dou y is equal to sin phi. So I have got this third term also, dou rho by dou y is sin phi here. Next I have to get this dou phi by dou y. Dou phi by dou y, dou by dou y of phi. We know that phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Tan inverse of y by x. Now this time I have to differentiate with respect to y here. So the differentiation of tan inverse of y by tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. That is 1 by 1 plus y square by x square. With respect to y means I get here 1 by x. Okay, that is differentiation of y is here 1 here and we are having constant here. Now I get here like this, that is x square by x square plus y square into 1 by x. Okay, 1 x will get cancelled here. So I get here as dou phi by dou y as x is equal to rho cos phi and x square plus y square is rho square here. Okay, 1 rho will get cancelled. I get here as cos phi by rho. So the dou phi by dou y value will be equivalent to cos phi by rho. So I have to keep again this one in the bracket. So why I am keeping like this? Because we have to recall in order to substitute that in the equation 1. Okay, now I have got all the 4 parameters, I think. Okay, parameter 1 2 3 4. Now let us use the equation number 1. Now keep all these. Now put this in the equation, that is, let us take this as dou by dou x and dou by dou y equations. Okay, put this in dou by dou x and dou by dou y. We get, so first I will take dou by dou x. Dou by dou x is equal to what? So I have got dou rho by dou x. Dou rho by dou x is cos phi into dou by dou rho plus next dou phi by dou x. Dou phi by dou x is minus sin phi by rho into dou by dou phi. Same, next similarly dou by dou y I have to write here. Dou by dou y, dou rho by dou y will be this one. I have not kept here bracket. Okay, dou rho by dou y is sin phi here, sin phi into dou by dou rho plus what is dou phi by dou y? Dou phi by dou y is cos phi by rho into dou by dou phi. Now we can keep these values in the equation 1. By equation 1, now put dou by dou x and dou by dou y into equation 1. So what is equation 1? Let us write let us recall that equation 1. That is, equation 1 is del is dou by dou x of ax plus dou by dou y of ay plus dou by dou z of az. Now I can now it is ready to substitute. These equations are ready to substitute in this equation 1. So this is equation number 1. Now del operator becomes here dou by dou x is this one, that is cos phi dou by dou rho plus minus sin phi by rho dou by dou phi into ax plus next I have to use this one, that is sin phi. Let us write here bracket sin phi by sin phi dou by dou rho plus cos phi by rho dou by dou phi into ay plus dou by dou z is not going to change. That's why we are not going to alter this equation, because in Cartesian coordinates and in cylindrical coordinates z is going to be the same. So that's why we are not going to have the change in that equation. Okay, now let me erase this one and do the further derivation. So what I get here after simplification, I have to take dou by, I will multiply this one, let us multiply this one, del operator, cos phi ax dou by dou rho minus sin phi by rho dou by dou phi of ax plus sin phi dou by dou rho of ay plus cos phi by rho dou by dou phi of ay plus dou by dou z of az. Now I will take the dou by dou rho terms common here. So first I will take dou by dou rho terms. This one is cos phi ax plus sin phi ay into dou by dou rho. Next I have terms of dou by dou phi here. Dou by dou phi first here I am having. I will take first this one, that is plus I will take this one instead of, that is 1 by rho will be common here, 1 by rho into cos phi into ay plus minus, I will get here minus sin phi into ax into dou by dou phi plus dou by dou z of az. Now we have to recall this, what are these terms actually. So these are the unit vectors along a rho and a phi. So we know that a rho is equal to, already we have derived this in the vector coordinate transformation, that is Cartesian coordinates transformation we have seen, that is this will be, a rho will be cos phi ax. You can go through that videos how we have got this one into sin phi ay. Similarly a phi will be this one, that is minus sin phi ax plus cos phi ay. So after substituting this equation will changes to like this. Okay, so here I get here as del operator in cylindrical will be dou by dou rho of, this one is a rho plus 1 by rho will be same as it is 1 by rho. This one will be changing to dou by dou phi and dou by dou phi into this one a phi plus dou by dou z of az. So this is a complete equation of this del operator in cylindrical coordinates. Okay, so this is the del operator in cylindrical coordinates. So now let us take the del operator in Cartesian coordinates. Similarly spherical coordinates. Yeah, so similarly we will derive del operator in spherical coordinates. Spherical coordinates. Now, in order to derive these spherical coordinates, that is del operator in spherical coordinates, we need to know the basic relationship between the coordinates, that is r, theta, phi and x, y, z. Now, we will write the basic relations. Relationship between that is x, y, z and r, theta, phi. So, we know that r is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square, and theta is equal to tan inverse of square root of x square plus y square by z, and phi is equal to same, that is tan inverse of y by x. So, we are having all the operators here r, theta, phi. Now, we have to use the again basic relationship here, that is the functions as we have defined the functions in the earlier starting of this lecture. That is, I can write the function that is f of x comma y comma z. X comma y comma z will be having in the terms of f of x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, and y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta. Okay, these are the relations we have to use. So, this we are going to get by the transformation while we are deriving this transformation, we will get this one, and this is a function of this f of x comma y comma z, it is a function of g of r comma theta comma phi. So, by using this function we can derive the same, that is dou phi by dou x and dou phi by dou y and dou f by dou z. Similarly, we can derive dou square f by double derivatives of this one, dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square comma dou square f by dou z square. We can derive all this one. Okay. Now, our aim is to derive this del operator. In order to derive this del operator, we need to require this one, dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. In order to derive this one, so we have to use chain rule again. I will erase this one, I will write the chain rule. So, the chain rule will be, that is for dou by dou x, by chain rule, that is dou by dou x. Dou by dou x will be equivalent to dou r by dou x into dou by dou r plus dou theta by dou x into dou by dou theta plus dou phi by dou x into dou by dou phi. So, because it is a function of it is a function of 3 parameters, okay, x. Okay, now dou by dou y again, dou r by dou y into dou by dou r plus dou theta by dou y into dou by dou theta plus dou phi by dou y into dou by dou phi. Similarly, dou by dou z. So, dou by dou z I get here as dou by dou z I get here as dou r by dou z into dou by dou r plus dou theta by dou y into it is z, dou by dou z of dou by dou theta plus dou phi by dou z into dou by dou phi. Okay. So, these are the, now in this we have to derive these 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, in this we have derived some, already we have derived some parameters in this one, that is dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou x already we have derived, and after deriving this we will take derive this one. Let us derive this one, dou r by dou x. Okay, so we have written the basic relationship. Now we will derive this one, dou by dou r by dou x. So what is r here? We are having square root of dou by dou x is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, so here with that is dou by dou x of root x will be 1 by 2 root x. Okay, that is 1 by 2 root of x square plus y square plus z square. With respect to x means I get here as 2x. So it will be equivalent to x by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So square root of x square plus y square z square means I get here as r. Okay, that is dou r by dou x will be x by r, and x is equal to what I have got? R sin theta cos phi. R sin theta cos phi by I have got r here. Okay, r get cancelled. I get here as sin phi cos phi I get here. Okay, that is sin theta cos phi I get. So now we have to keep this in a box. Okay, dou r by dou x is equal to sin theta cos phi. Okay, so we will keep this in the box. Okay, we have to recall this all these terms, and we have to keep all this in these equations. Now let us take another one, that is dou theta by dou x. Okay, dou theta by dou x. What is theta here? Theta is equal to tan inverse of square root of x square plus y square by z. Theta is dou by dou x of tan inverse of square root of x square plus y square by z. Okay, now we know that the equation, that is the differentiation with respect to tan inverse of x will be 1 by 1 plus x square. So if I derive that, if I derive that one, I get here as 1 by 1 plus x square plus y square by z square I get here. Okay, now we have to differentiate with respect to x means we have to take again this one. Yeah, so I have to take again, this is a function. This is a function again with respect to the x here, that is dou by dou x of square root of x square plus y square by z. Okay, now we have to use u by v formula here in order to derive this one. So this will be equivalent to, I have get like this. Okay, that is z square by x square plus y square plus z square. So for this one I get here like this. Okay, the differentiation here, that is z square u by v formula, I get here like this. I mean z into dou by dou x of square root of x square plus y square minus square root of x square plus y square into dou by dou x of z. Okay, so now I get here like this, z square by x square plus y square plus z square. So the difference, again we have to differentiate this one, 1 by 1 plus z into that is 1 by square root of x square plus y square. Again here we have to write different 2x. Okay, into 2. So I get here this is going to cancel, and the differentiation with respect to z with respect to x, differentiation x with respect to z is 0 here. So I get 0 here by z square. Okay, now what I get here, z square by x square plus y square plus z square, that is z by zx by square root of z square into square root of x square plus y square x square. So this z square will get cancelled. I get here as zx by square root of x square plus y square plus z square into square root of this one will be equivalent to rho. So this will be equivalent to rho. So I substitute in place of this one, that is r, that is r square into this one, that is this will be rho. Okay, So I will substitute the value of z and x here. Let us see what happens. I will erase this one. So that is z is equal to r cos theta. I get here, that is dou theta by dou x will be equal to z is equal to r cos theta, x is equal to rho cos phi, that is x is equal to rho cos phi I can take here, that is rho cos phi by, that is r square will be here, r square into rho. So I get the cancellation will be like this, that is this one one r will be cancelled, that is r cos theta cos phi by r, sorry, r will is cancelled here, that is by r. So dou theta by dou x will be dou theta by dou x will be cos theta cos phi by r. Okay. So now let us keep this in the bracket, that is in a square box, so that to recall. Okay. Now after deriving that one, now we have derived dou theta by dou x. Now we have to do dou phi by dou x. Already we have derived this one dou phi by dou x in the previous derivation, that is we have got dou phi by dou x as minus sin phi by rho. So we know that already derived this one, we know that dou phi by dou x already derived in the derivation of the derivation of del in the cylindrical coordinates, that is we have got minus sin phi by rho we got. Okay. Now already this is also completed. Now I have to derive this one dou r by dou z. Okay. So dou r by dou y, dou r by dou y. So r means here, that is dou by dou y of square root of x square plus y square plus z square, that is 1 by square root of x is 1 by, I will change the pen here, that is 1 by 2 root x square plus y square plus z square into 2y I get here, that is I get y by square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So what is y? We know that y is equal to r, so this we know that y is equal to rho cos phi, rho sin phi v8, rho sin phi by, and this one will be equal to r square. Okay. I get here as rho is equal to, again rho is equal to r sin theta sin phi is equal by r square, that will be equivalent to that is sin theta sin phi by r. Okay. So this is equivalent to dou r by dou y will be equivalent to sin theta sin phi by r. So this is one equation we have got. So we have to keep this in a bracket. So all of you remember the equations what we have got, this equation what we have derived. So we have to produce this equation in this we have to substitute these values in this equation. Now dou r by dou y is completed, this is completed, now we have to take this one dou theta by dou y. So dou theta by dou y is similar to that of dou theta by dou y is similar to that of the equation 1 only, that is what we have derived is similar to that of dou theta by dou x. So this is similar to dou theta by dou x. So what we have got dou theta by dou x, this one, that is zx by this one zx by r square into rho we got. Similarly we can write dou theta by dou y as, so instead of x we have to substitute y here, that's all. Okay. that is I can write here like this, zy by r square into rho. So I can substitute the values here. Z is equal to r cos theta, z is equal to r cos theta, and y is equal to rho cos phi I can write here, sin phi I can write here. Next by r square into rho, so I can substitute, I can cancel one r and rho, so I get here as cos theta sin phi by rho, I think, right? So that is a equation which we have got. One rho will be left, okay, one r will be left here, okay, that is dou theta by dou y. So that is the equation which we have got for dou theta by dou y. So this is also completed, finished. Now I have to get this equation dou phi by dou y. So dou phi by dou y will be equivalent to, already we have got this one, dou phi by dou y. So in the del operator in the cylindrical coordinate system, dou phi by dou y will be sin phi by y, cos phi by rho. Already we have got this equation. So I am writing directly, I am not going to derive again this one, because this will be making me lengthy, okay. That is, next we have got this one also. Now we are left with dou r by dou z, these three terms, okay. Now let me erase this one. So dou r by dou z. So dou r by dou z, r means here, that is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. With respect to z we have to differentiate 1 by 2 root x square plus y square plus z square into 2z, that is z by, I get here as r, okay, that is, so z is equal to r cos theta. So we know that z is equal to r cos theta here, okay, r cos theta, that is r cos theta by r. I can get here as dou r by dou z as cos theta. So I will keep this another in the bracket here, this equation. Now I have to get this one, dou theta by dou z, and dou phi by dou z, okay. So these are the two equations we have to get, that is dou theta by dou z, So theta is, we know that tan inverse of square root of x square plus y square by z. So we know that the differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square, that is x square plus y square by z square. With respect to z means we have to do the differentiation here, that is dou by dou z with respect to square root of x square plus y square by z. So with respect to z means what I get here, that is z square by x square plus y square plus z square, that is I get here, that is square root of x square plus y square by minus z square I get here, okay. That is differentiation of 1 by z is I get here like this, okay. So this one will get cancelled, I get here as minus square root of x square plus y square by x square plus y square plus z square. So what I get here? So I get that is this one will be minus rho square by r, okay. Sorry, minus rho, sorry, not rho square, rho by r, minus rho means r sin theta, we get here r sin theta by r, that is I can cancel this one r, that is minus sin theta I get. So now I have to write this equation here, that is dou theta by dou z, I got dou theta by dou z, I got minus sin theta. Let me keep this in the bracket. Next I have to finally find the last one, that is dou phi by dou z. Dou phi by dou z, okay. dou phi by dou z, that is dou by dou z of phi is tan inverse of y by x, okay, tan inverse of y by x. So we don't have any term with related to z here, so I can keep here as 0, okay, that is dou phi by dou z will be equal to 0. So now I have got all the terms here, okay, now we have derived all the 9 terms till now. Now we have to substitute those equations in the dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. Let us do that one. Now I will write dou by dou x first here. Dou by dou x will be equal to dou r by, first I have to substitute dou r by dou x, okay, that what we have got, I have erased, I think, I got like this, that is sin theta cos phi by dou r plus next dou theta by dou x. Dou theta by dou x is cos theta cos phi by r into dou by dou theta plus that is next dou phi by dou x, that is this one, that is minus sin phi by rho into dou by dou phi. So we have got the first term, that is dou by dou x. Next we have to get dou by dou y. Dou by dou y is what? First dou by dou theta by dou, that is dou theta by dou r by dou y, this one, minus sin theta sin pi by, sorry, sin theta sin phi into dou by dou r plus next this one dou theta by dou y. So I have got cos theta sin phi by r into dou by dou theta plus dou phi by dou y is cos phi by rho into dou by dou phi. Finally I have to write dou by dou z, okay, dou by dou z I got this one, dou r by dou z is cos theta dou by dou r plus next this one, sorry, this one dou theta by dou z minus sin theta dou by dou theta plus we have got 0, no, so we have got all the terms here, that is finally we have got all the terms with respect to dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. So now we have to substitute this equation in the equation 1. Put this in the, I will write here and I will put here. Now put or substitute, we can say substitute dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z into equation 1. Okay, what is equation 1? We know that is del operator. Del operator is dou by dou x of ax plus dou by dou y of ay plus dou by dou z of az. Okay. Next del operator, that is del is equal to dou by dou x, what we have got, this one. So I have to write this lengthy equation here, that is let me write here, that is sin theta cos phi dou by dou r plus cos theta cos phi by r dou by dou theta minus sin phi by rho dou by dou phi into ax plus I will continue here. Next to dou by dou y got, I got this one, that is sin theta sin phi dou by dou r plus cos theta sin phi by r dou by dou theta plus cos phi by rho dou by dou phi into ay plus I had to substitute dou by dou z. Dou by dou z I got here as cos theta dou by dou r minus sin theta dou by dou theta of Az. Now I have to collect all the terms of Ax, Ay, Az here. So in order to do that one, Ax term is this one, that is dou by dou x terms. Dou by dou x, it is not dou by dou x, it is dou by dou r, okay, dou by dou r. So I have to collect the terms of dou by dou r, dou by dou z, and first I have to collect the terms of dou by dou r. So dou by dou r term is this one, that is sin theta cos phi Ax, next sin theta sin phi Ay plus sin theta sin phi Ay into, I don't have here, okay, next into dou by dou r plus, next I have to collect the dou by dou theta terms. Dou by dou theta terms is this one, okay. First one is I will take the common 1 by r outside, that is cos theta cos phi Ax, next I am having plus cos theta sin phi into dou by dou theta, means I have to take common here 1 by r is taken common, and dou by dou theta is common here. I have another term here, I forgot to write the another term here, that is dou by dou r, that is plus cos theta Az dou by dou r plus, next here also 1 by r I got this one, dou by dou theta, this one actually this is 1 by r square, sorry, I forgot to write r square here. So here it will be equivalent to sin theta by r, okay. So this will be equivalent to sin theta by r. So a small error here, where here, yeah, sin theta by r, okay. Now I get here minus sin theta by r into dou by dou theta. Now it is correct, I think, okay. So because this value will be equivalent to r square, okay. Now this one we have completed. Next finally we have to take with respect to dou by dou phi. So dou by dou phi is minus sin phi by rho we will take outside, okay, Ax plus cos phi Ay into 1 by rho into dou by dou phi. So we have completed all the terms here. So now first finally we have to substitute here, that is we know that the unit vectors ar, a theta and a phi. Ar is equal to sin theta cos phi Ax plus sin theta sin phi Ay plus cos theta Az. So you can check where you can verify this one, ar, a theta will be cos theta cos phi Ax plus cos theta sin phi minus sin theta I have taken r common outside, okay, that is sin theta Az. Next a phi will be equivalent to minus sin phi Ax plus cos phi Ay. So if I substitute all these, this equation will get in the compact form. So I get here like this del operator. So the del operator will be equivalent to del, that is this will be equivalent to ar, that is dou by dou r of ar plus, next this one 1 by r dou by dou theta of a theta. So this will be a theta 1 by r dou by dou theta plus 1 by rho dou by dou phi of a phi. So this is the final expression for rho, that is we know that r we know that rho is equal to r sin theta here, we know r sin theta. So we'll substitute that equation here. We'll value here. That is 1 dou by dou r of ar plus 1 by r dou by dou theta of a theta plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou phi of a phi. So this is the final expression for the del in spherical coordinates. So this is the del operator in spherical coordinates. So that is about the today's topic. So we have taken the del operator, that is vector differential operator, which is very useful in the derivation of Maxwell's equation. So we have got del operator. We have clearly got all the del operator equation in Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical coordinate system. Hope you understood this video, that is this lecture, and it is clear to you. If at all, if you are having any doubts, put in the form of comment, and if you are having any doubts, you can ask me. So till then, take care, bye.